Hey, what's up you all? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog. Today I'm doing a really fun project share and I'm going to finish this with you guys on camera. So first of all, hello. If this video is a little bit messy, it is because we got the keys to our house and I've been really busy, both actually busy as well as busy, you know, like thinking about stuff. When you're not actually doing stuff for the house but you're still making decisions and thinking about it and making plans and all kind of stuff, and oh my god, it's just a lot. But finally, yesterday I finally finished this little project that will go to my pen pal Emilia. I've been working on it for I think a week, nearly 2 weeks actually, because I couldn't decide. She always makes such pretty stuff. This is also a little bit of a shout out to her because she has a YouTube channel. I will link it down below so you guys can check it out as well. She always makes such amazing stuff, and then I wanna send her something amazing as well, and then I get a little bit of anxiety, like it has to be amazing, and then it takes me way longer than I want it to take. But yesterday I finished it. I'm so happy, and now I don't want to send it. So I want to keep it myself, but her name is on there, so I'm going to send it to her anyway. No, I'm kidding. I never actually keep stuff for myself, but it is kind of hard for me to let go because I'm so happy with how it turned out. So then I thought I would do a project share and finish this with you guys on camera so that I have some sort of a memory of this project. But okay, first, tea. I'm gonna try this one from Israel. It is a chai, which is always good, and I'm putting it in my tea now, but probably by the time it has cooled enough for me to actually drink it, this video will be over. But okay, I'm gonna try anyways. So yeah, this is my project to Emilia. As you guys can see, it is a Valentine's Day themed, although Valentine is already over. I just really love this theme, and I got a paper pad. This one, it's not actually, they don't actually sell it anymore, but it is Main Squeeze by Crate Paper. I cannot find it anywhere. I found one sort of by accident, and then I bought it because I thought it was so cute, and then I liked it so much I wanted to buy more, but there's actually none available. They like don't make them anymore or something, so I should have gotten 2 instead of 1, but I absolutely love it, and I haven't been able to do a lot of Valentine's Day crafting yet, so I thought I would just continue and make something fun for her, especially since she said in one of her videos that she does not really celebrate Valentine's Day. I thought maybe she would like this little project. What I did is I made this little flip book. I don't actually remember the size. I just cut out some papers to be this kind of the same size as this. This is a little gift bag. As you can see, it's a little gift bag. I folded it so that it is a little bit smaller than it actually is, because look, it's actually this big, but I wanted to make it a little bit smaller, so I folded it a little bit extra, and then I made sure the papers actually matched that. So a nice kind of a big flip book. I usually make them a lot smaller, but this is definitely very nice. And then I used my circle spin and trim to cut out a hole in the middle. I will link everything I used in the description box down below. Keep in mind, some of these links are affiliate links. That doesn't mean that you pay extra, it just means that I receive a commission when you buy something through my links, so that will really help me. But okay, I used my circle spin and trim to cut out a hole in the middle, and then I made a shaker behind that, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. I made a little Valentine's Day shaker mix, I mean sequin mix. So we have pink, gold, white and light blue, because that kind of matches the colors in this collection. I would also need red, but I didn't have any red sequins, so I just had to make do. So cute little sequin shaker. Let me actually move them to the other side. Oh no, stuff is falling out. Okay, there we go. A little shaker. I'm all over the place. And then I put some hard die cuts here in the back, which you cannot actually see anymore. And then this mwah die cut and a little fox. And then these little, I don't know, it's like a lemon, but it's pink and it's a little strawberry. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but it's very cute. And then I also decorated with some of my Nouveau drops. I will also link them down below. I get so many questions about them. The brand I use is Nouveau, and they're either crystal or glitter drops. I don't even remember, but you can make these little dots yourself. Like I said, I will link them down below if you want to check them out. Absolutely love them. I did some gold and some pink and some white, and then I used these stickers for the first time. I got them from, I don't actually remember, I think I got them from Paper District. I did an unboxing video, I will link that down below as well. I used these beautiful like thick chipboard letter stickers, but I don't know if you guys have the same problem, but they don't stick at all. Like you put them on the paper, you start doing something else and they just fall off. So I actually used a little bit of glue behind them as well, so you cannot take them off anymore, but at least they stay in place, because I was very annoyed. But okay, I wrote her name Emilia. I think it's so cute. I glued down this little button here, which I will use to close the flipbook later, but we're gonna do that at the end of this video. Then this is my first page. I actually finished this page last. So this is from yesterday evening. More Nouveau drops, and then a pink doily. I also gave her some of the pink doilies. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually two different colors pink. It's like really light pink and then this bright, very pretty pink color. And then here I made a little mail tag. I wrote a couple I actually quite liked. I had so much inspiration for mail tag questions. First one is, if you started a business, what would it be? Someone you look up to. And the third one is, what would be on your private island? We actually did that for a therapy assignment once, like what would be on your private island? Would you have other people come over, or would you completely close it off so that it would stay private? Would you have a pool? Would you have, I don't know, you could put anything you wanted on your private island. It was just a drawing, of course. And that was so much fun. I thought I would turn it into a mail tag question. And again, oops, I just realized now that I used the same die cut on this page as on this page, but it's so adorable. I don't mind, it's kind of cute. So, and all of the papers I used are actually from that Crate Paper main squeeze, and also a lot of the die cuts. Not all of them, I think, but a lot of them. Oh, yes, so we have that. And then this page is kind of simple. It just has a tuck pocket. You can tuck stuff behind it, which I obviously did. I will take that out for now. Use these really pretty stickers I got from Kirthana. It says love. And then I used my border punch to make a pretty border. And I also have these little felt stickers, heart stickers. I have two different ones. I have the red ones, which I absolutely love, and then I have a mixture of pink and white ones. And I obviously gave her some because they're adorable. I just cut a piece off of the page I have, and then I gave her a whole bunch of doilies because I know she loves using them. As you can see, two different colors, pink, some gold ones, some tiny white ones, and a tiny blue one, because that also kind of matches the color scheme of this mail. I don't always make my mail this matching and coordinating, but when it's for Emilia, I want to do a really good job because her mail is so special. I really want to send her a special mail back. So that was it. This is actually one of my favorite pages just because it holds so many goodies and I think it looks really fun. Then the next page holds again a lot of goodies. I just made this little pocket from another paper, and I used embossing powder to write for you, but it looks like some of the letters are missing, but that's because I used a combination of purple and pink embossing powder, and the pink you cannot actually see. I should have thought that through. So it looks a little bit messy, but it says for you. And then there was also a little cut apart sheet in that paper pad, and this is one of the cut aparts, and then some more die cuts. And then in here, this is a sticker sheet actually from the Pipsticks pack. It's actually one I was planning on keeping myself, but then I cannot use all of them myself, and I thought she would really love this. It is a Pipsticks with Amy Tangerine sticker sheet. If you want to check out my Pipsticks videos, I have a whole playlist on that as well. Some sticky notes from the Paper Gang pack. I don't know, they were pink and cute, so I thought they would match. Then this little baggie filled with different Maggie Holmes die cuts. I just made her a nice collection. I really find it hard to actually share my die cuts because I love using them so much, but she always shares such pretty things with me. I thought it would be only nice if I shared some of my pretty things with her. And then this is also from the Pipsticks pack. Actually, it's a BFF coupon. I thought it was really, really cute and orange. There's not a lot of orange in, there's actually no orange in this entire mail, but the heart stickers are also orange. So I thought I would add one more orange element. I really think about those things. I don't know if I'm the only one. So a nice little pocket. And then here, this page has my mail tag answers. So these are my questions and these are my answers. Oh, sadly the bow is moving. My mail tag answers, I'm not going to actually show you because they are kind of private, but this is a beautiful Project Life card I received in the mail. Possibly from one of you guys. I have to admit, I don't actually remember who gave it to me because I collected them. So they're all in one big stash. I don't know how I'm going to put this on here. Okay, there we go. And then I actually have this die cut here of a tag again, and I glued it down partially, but I kept this loose so that you can actually tuck this card behind it. So I thought that was kind of a cute addition. And then I splattered some gold on here, which I really like, and I have this die cut that says I heart this die. But the rest of it is kind of plain and simple, but I'm trying to roll with it because I always overdo it. I spend so much time on each page, and I'm trying to be comfortable with spending less time on one page. And I mean, I still quite like the way this looks. I mean, it is a little bit more empty, but the papers and the pages are so pretty that I don't want to overdo it. And then this, okay, I think this is actually my favorite part. Mine is the sweetie because I don't know, I was trying to do hand lettering and I don't actually love how it turned out. This still looks kind of cute, but it could have been cuter without, I think. And then I wrote hey sweetie, and then these are some more of those cut apart pieces. And I also really love this background paper. It's just pink with red hearts, and then I did like doodly borders around the hearts. I also did a doodly border around the page, which I totally got from Kira Pace. I will link her YouTube channel down below as well. And these were from a cut apart sheet as well, Valentine and I love you. And this says te amo, which also means I love you, and sweet on you. And then I wrote hey sweetie because I thought the page needed something else. But I don't know how I like it yet. And then again, Nuvo drops because I'm kind of obsessed. This is the final page. This is actually a gift bag. Like I said, I absolutely love these gift bags. They're the perfect color pink, and I've been wanting to use them for so long, but I don't actually use them that often. So we have this little balloon with like a tag or an envelope on it, and it says read me, and another little die cut, and these puffy heart stickers. I absolutely adore puffy heart stickers. I don't know about you guys. So that is the actual mail, and then I have this envelope. I actually received mail in this envelope from someone kind enough to send me some die cuts, actually a lot of die cuts if you can tell by the size of the envelope. But she put a plastic cover over it, and then she put my address and the stamps and everything on the plastic cover, so I can actually reuse the envelope. So I'm going to use this to put her mail in. But I'm first going to close it, and I thought I had a kind of a fun idea and I wanted to do that with you guys, or at least try it with you guys, because it's an idea, but I don't know if it will work. 2 pieces of this string off, and then, oh no, I'm making a mess, and then leave the rest. But okay, what was I saying? I have had this idea for quite a while now, and I haven't actually done it yet because I needed beads and I wasn't allowed to shop, so no beads from me. And then I was at the Action, actually for like home decorating, home renovating stuff. So we needed like a bucket and a broom. I'm really making this worse. We needed a bucket and a broom, and then I kind of sneaks away to quickly check out the craft section. I'm not going to get this untangled, I'm afraid. What have I done? Would this be long enough? This might actually be long enough. I need some scissors. So I kind of sneaked away to the craft department, and then I picked up these beads. kind of by accident. I didn't even know they had these. They're actually like kids craft. There's stuff in here that you can use to make a bracelet with, but I'm not going to do that because I don't like that at all. I didn't even like that as a kid, but I am going to use beads to finish this flipbook, if I can open it without spilling them everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is definitely going wrong. Okay, that was okay. I've got a whole lot of pinks, and then I also want some light blue. Oh, please open. I'm so scared. If this goes everywhere, I swear to God. Oh, yes, there we go. Now that you've seen my flipbook, let me know how you feel. Did you do any crafting, any Valentine's Day crafting this year? How are you doing? I really hope you're staying at my channel even though I don't upload a lot of mail videos. I hope you liked this. I know it's not the same as actually doing one of those craft along videos, but yeah, I promise they will be back in the future again. Okay, for now I'm going to say my goodbyes. I hope to see you again in the future, and I wish you a lovely day. Bye bye!